This way, Mattia, you are learning a lot.
Are you working on the zebra still?
I'm not working on the zebra.
Oh,
Dorian was.
It was too difficult, huh?
The zebra was the Dorian. Oh no, Dorian. Oh, French guy. He was working on the zebra.
Okay.
See, now you should use this and I should use mine already.
Set this to the speaker, that's what we need.
This is you, Nerea, that is making this noise.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of my students. Look at you.
Look at her.
Melanie
Soldering
yesterday
away.
was saying that she'd never soldered,
Yeah.
and now she cannot stop it.
Yeah, there you go. I love it. It's my new thing.
Actually, there's a lot of people that start to.
That's a dumb song. That's Nyan. No. That's a dumb song.
Oh, a turtle, no man. I'm almost afraid to ask what you're going to do with
With this turtle?
with the turtle.
I will put my Bluetooth inside this.
Okay. It's going to be a speaker.
Yeah. I will connect my just to check.
It's going to be a turtle speaker. It's cute
And
though.
it's funk. That's funk. I think I'm just going back to Prelude.
Yeah.